Hi there, I'm Sakeena Kazmi and welcome to my channel, Digital Girl. Let me start by sharing a little bit about my journey and why I decided to start this channel. I think there should be an introduction video about my passion and vision behind this channel. So I've always had a passion for learning and sharing what I know. My journey began in the design industry where I started with graphics and then transitioned into web design. From the very beginning, I felt like this was my calling, helping others bring their ideas to life through design and technology. As I continued exploring and mastering different tools, I realized how much I loved helping clients achieve their goals. But it wasn't just about clients. I also wanted to empower people in my community, giving them the skills to become professionals and take charge of their life and career. And that's why I started this YouTube channel. I want to share everything I've learned along the way so you can grow your skills, simplify your workflows, and make the most of the amazing tools out there. So, here in Digital Gal, you will find tutorials on tools like GoHighLevel, Canva AI, strategies to automate and grow your business. I would even share how to create your own digital products using AI. My goal is to make tech simple and accessible for everyone, whether you're just starting or looking to level up your skills. So, if you're ready to learn, grow, and build with me, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Let's create, automate, and achieve amazing things together. Welcome to Digital Gal. Thank you.